Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel, and on this video I'm going to show you guys how to make use of Google Documents. And firstly, before we start, if you're new on this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification button for more videos. Let's get started. Firstly, if you want to log on to Google Documents, you go to docs.google.com/documents. Once you click on the page, it will bring you to this place, and don't mind my own due to I've been using it. These are my recent documents, understand? So don't mind the look. But once you log into this page, the only thing that you see are these guys, understand? So, well, on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use Google document tools, understand? So we are not going to go deeper. Like, we are not going to make use of all these guys, understand? So we are going to use only the blank. So, like, in case if you want to create an ebook or write about something, understand, the one that you are supposed to use is this one, the blank. So let's get started. But firstly, before we resume, please don't forget to like this video, comment. Thank you. Yeah, once you click on the blank, it will take you to this page. So on this page, I'm going to show you guys little things, understand? So let's start from the text style, understand? This text style is the way that you want your text to look like, understand? Uh, if you want, this one is used for the title, this one is used for the subtitle, this one is used for heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, and co. Understand? And this is where you zoom in or zoom out your text. Understand that if you want it to be bold, then you come to this plus, then you make it bold. And if you want it to reduce, you come to this minus. Understand? This B is bold. Understand? B represents bold. Like, if you want your text to be bold, you can actually click that B. So this is in italic. Like, if you want your text to bend, you make use of this. Understand? If you want underline, if you want your text to be underlined, then use this. This is text color. You can, once you click on this A, you can actually choose any type, any color that you want. You can choose green, you can choose white, you can choose black, any one that you want. Understand? This is highlight color. Understand? If you want to give your highlight colors, then you click on this. So this is used if you want to insert link. If you want to insert link, you're going to use this to insert link. Like, if you want to direct people to another page in that particular ebook that you're writing, then you are going to use this to insert the link. So after explaining this, I'm going to do practical so that you see how I'm going to make use of them. And this is image, like in case if you want to insert image, this is what you're going to use. And all these ones are optional, depending on if you want to use them, they're optional. I don't actually use them, but they are good. This is number. Like, if you want to list something, in numbers, you use this. Once you click on it, you write number 1, you come down, they will bring out number 2 automatically for you. So this is bullet list. It's just like number, but this one is not really, they're not numbering it for you. So these are the major things that you need if you want to write an ebook. All these ones that I mentioned are the major things that you need. So if you want to make use of others, so it's your choice. So for instance, let's write something like, if you want to write how to make money online. Let me show you how to place your your title, how to make money online, how to make money online. So if this is your title, if you want to make it like look a little bit bigger and to look more of a title, what you're going to do is this. You're going to make use of bold. Then you can increase it from here. You know, I already told you guys, just click on it. You can increase it here. Like in case you don't want your title to be in black form, like you want to change the color, you come to this place, you can change it to red. And if you want to underline your title, just click on this U. It will automatically underline it. So that's it. So in case after inserting your title and the next thing that you want to follow it up with is what are they calling it? Is image. Like if you want to insert image, then all you got to do is you come to this image logo, click on it, then you can select anywhere that your image is. If it's from your computer, drive, photo, URL, camera, anywhere. But I'm going to make use of computer. When you click on the computer, it will take you to your your folder where you can select any image that you want. Like in case I want to select Sinach, I have seen it. So that's how to insert image. If you want to reduce the image, just click on the image like this, click on it, then come to this place. I hope you can see the arrow, then draw it up to the size that you want. Then it will reduce to the size that you want. If you want to increase it, you just come to the place, then draw it down to the size that you want. Understand? Then it will increase. That's how to insert image in Google Documents. So, like for instance, if you want to insert a link in your writing, then let me just write boys come. Boys are hardworking. Okay. Then what all you got to do is just to highlight everything, then come to this insert link, click on it. Then, for instance, let me get a link, Gospel Niger, gospelniger.com. Then you just come and copy the link of this thing and come back to your, then insert the link. Once you insert the link, you click apply. As you can see, the link is there now. Here's the link. Once the person, after writing the thing, once the person click on this, it will redirect the person. Let me just click on this so that you see. It will redirect me to Gospel Niger. My network is really bad, but you will see it. It have redirected me to Gospel Niger. That's what I mean by inserting a link. Inserting a link. So these are the few things. Like, okay, for instance, if you want to make use of number, this thing, you click on this, right? Number one, how Joe is a great Joe is a great guy. Then if you want to come down for number two, they will give you number two. And I know, come back again, they will give you number three. So hope you understand this. What again? What again? Um, what again, I want to show you guys in this video. Uh, I don't think there's anything I need to show you again on this. So we have different this thing. All these ones are not really, they are optional. Like once you know the other one, you can actually write anything you want. This is called voice typing. Like in case you don't want to stress yourself in typing, you just come here, click on the voice typing. Once you talk, understand, it will start typing it. Like for instance, let me allow this first. I've not done the setting well, but I want you to see. Hello, how are you doing? Have you seen it? It's typing. It's still typing. It's still typing. Can you see that? So if you want to use voice typing, it's more easier. Like now, if I feel like I don't want to type, I will just be talking and it will start typing. So Google document is really cool to use. So most people even prefer to talk instead of typing, because as you can see, all these things that I'm saying now is typing it down, and they are cool. Understand? So let's pause it. Yeah. Like for instance, like if you want to share, like after writing, like mostly we write ebook. We don't just write normal things on Google document. We write ebook, and ebook we don't share it to people that are not allowed to share it, are not allowed to have access to it. Understand? Like, most people will like to buy ebook and send to other people. So what we do is this: we lock it. As you can see, it's locked privately. Understand? It's on private. Understand? So even if I sell my ebook to or one person, the person cannot share it to another person until I add the person. Understand? So they can share your ebook. See what you are going to do. If you want to share, you come to this share. Here is the title of your. You just can place the title of your this thing. Let me say the title is this. Then let's save. So any mail that you add to this are the only mail that will have access to this. Understand? So if you add that mail, then you press done, then you copy link. Sorry, I didn't copy link before writing them. Once you add that mail, understand? Like here is the owner. If I want to add another mail, I can. Let me just add another mail. Let me add this mail. Then type message. Understand? And I'll send it to him. Understand? That's how it works. So it's very easy. Once you type, you send to him. So nobody else have access to it. As you can see, the option, this thing here, restricted. Only people added can open this link. Understand? Once you send it to the person,